Welcome to Winning Wall Street's Money. Help support my channel. We need to get to 1,000 subscribers pretty much as soon as possible. So then I go live streaming because YouTube policy, they won't let me go live until I have 1,000 subscribers. Thank you to all the folks out there that have subscribed to my YouTube channel. If you have not yet, please take this moment now with helping me. Click subscribe. Next, click the bell. And next, click all. This helps you receive a notification when I post my next videos. Plus, click the thumbs up button and every time you watch my videos. If you got value from this video, if this was helpful, then please consider sharing a small monetary donation to my channel by going below and clicking on either my Patreon or PayPal links. If you join my Patreon page, then you'll get early access to these videos 24 hours before they're posted on the YouTube and lots more. If you prefer just leaving a small tip, click on PayPal. Either way, then you get that warm sense of satisfaction years down the line knowing that you helped me become a successful YouTuber. Tuesday, March 23rd, 11:14 a.m. New York time. Good morning. We're going to look at one of the sectors in the S&P 500. This sector is the consumer silico. I probably pronounced that wrong. CYCLICAL. Yeah, the struggle is real pronouncing stuff for me. And within that sector, we're going to look at specifically the industry for internet retail. Retail is really broad, but I want to focus on internet retail. Past 2 years, a lot of businesses have failed in the retail and other ones have outperformed. First, I want to look at the equity indexes so we can identify if we're at the highs, at the lows, if we're in consolidation, if we're trending, where the leadership is. And then we'll go into those single stocks. So you can determine if we're performing better than those indexes, maybe it's better to invest in some of these single stocks. So first we'll look at the S&P 500. We're looking at weekly charts. Here's the high for the year. Here's the low for the year. We're currently trending up. And this week is higher than last week. It's a small trading range, but the momentum is up. Sure. Potential supply zones up here where sellers were before. And that's where we're coming into right now. NASDAQ 100, same thing. The Dow Jones, similar, except the current weekly candle is red. The Dow Transports, very similar, same thing, red candle, but the current trend is up. And the Dow Utilities, nope. Inside candle for the past 2 weeks, what's it doing is building a wedge. And the direction of this wedge, well, within that wedge, it's building a coil. That coil is getting tighter, tighter, tighter. And that direction will break out one way or the other, determine what the next trend is. The takeaway is, just on these indexes alone, they are all trading in small trading ranges this week. And it's only Wednesday right now, middle of the week. Happy hump day. But look, the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ are both green. First, the other ones are no, red. So again, majority of these are struggling right now. Got it? Let's go to look at those internet retail. Again, these would be weekly charts. Amazon, Alpha Mike Zulu November. Here's the high for the year right there. And here's the low for the year. So we're much closer to the high of the year. We're also trending higher for the week. Higher, high, high, low. Took out that swing high. Outstanding. Outstanding. And potential area to look for. Well, first, this is one area right there. That's a little supply zone where sellers were. And then up there. Bravo, Alpha, Bravo, Alpha. Alibaba. Look at that. Outstanding. Higher for the week. Higher, high, higher, low. Here's the high for the year. Here's the low for the year, which was last week. Again, last week I shared with you that was a bullish engulfing candle. That's a trigger. And this current weekly candle breaking above that was the entry price to been buying it. Good job if you took that. If you took profits already, good job. If you're still in it, good job. Hopefully you got good money management. Papa, Delta, Delta. Same thing. Bearish engulfing last week and reversed, went higher, higher. Entry was just above there. Here's the high for the year. Here's the low for the year. Maybe we have seen the lows for the years. So these are potential price levels. We'll see how it gets through. Yeah, a lot of this, the triggers already occurred. The trade entries should have been already in. But if you're slow to the game, well, you could look for pullbacks on weakness and to reload or put your first trade on. Juliet Delta. Huge trading range last week, which was a bullish engulfing. And look at this, currently inside candle. So that's not as performing as well as the other ones. So pass on it. It's struggling. Yep. Mike, Echo, Lima, India. Outstanding. Took out the high. Yep. There's a high for the year. We took out the high for last week. Massive consolidation here. Yep. Massive. Charlie, Victor, November, Alpha. It's in a trading range. Yep. It's still inside the range of last week's inside candle. Plus all this is a trading range. So it's struggling there. Nope, it's not leadership. There we go. A massive consolidation. Go on to the next group. This is Charlie Papa, November Golf. Yeah, last week was the low of the year. We took out the high of last week already. Here's a high for the year. Higher, low, higher, low. So that's still bearish bias there. Massive sell-offs on these. 3 red candles. Retracement on weakness. 3 big sell-offs, retracement. Yeah, that's not leadership. Echo, Bravo, Alpha, Yankee, eBay. One of the old schools. One of the big old schools. Look at that. Here's a high for the year. Way below it. Wherever the current leadership is, not so good. Their business model has not improved. Yep, massive consolidation inside candle for the current week. It's struggling. Just think if Craigslist was on the internet as a company listed on the stock market. You think that would be performing better than eBay? There is a correlation between eBay and Craigslist. Yep. eBay was part of a investment in Craigslist a long time ago. And eBay was kind of shady, looking just to get the understanding of the software operations on Craigslist and try to copy it, improve on it. Yeah, they got caught. Charlie, Hotel, Whiskey, Yankee, Chewy, pet food. Yep. Here's the high for the year. There's the low for the year. Already broke out from the low of last week. Yeah, coming to earnings soon. So if you got a pet or you like pets, maybe you buy 1 stock share, support the company. Yep. Potential target, $50. This is a massive here. Supply zone. So some levels to have challenging to get over. Again, opportunity from here up to $50 or close before it gets there. And this is a potential area to be concerned about. Needs to get above that swing high. Whiskey, Wayfair. Yep, it's just in a small consolidation range. It's struggling down here still. Echo, Tango, Sierra, Yankee, Etsy, Etsy. English is a struggle. Yep. Here's the high for the year. Here's the low for the year. It's in a massive consolidation. Even though we're higher than last week, that's not good. Nope. Massive consolidation. Remember, all these companies I'm showing you, they're not all American companies. And some of them have been around for a while, but they haven't been listed on the stock exchange as long. Yep, a lot of companies been around for a long time and they choose to enter the stock market years later. Massive consolidation. Golf, Romeo, Uniform, Bravo, Grub. Yep, new low for the year, total failure. Yeah, total failure. Take this back a little bit further. There we go. High and mighty all the way back there. We'll look at the monthly. Let me take it a little bit back further. Take it back to the max. Okay, so there we go. 2018, all-time high, high and mighty. Since then, record lows, failure. Yep, not good. Nope. So be concerned. Some of these high and mighties will be delisted or may become merger acquisitions of other companies. Again, it's not so broad, their business plan, as some other models are. Let's go look at the last group of them. Foxtrot, Tango, Charlie, Hotel. Higher high, higher low. Last week was the all-time low for the year and trending up. Massive, going to have struggles up here. Not good. Victor, India, Papa, Sierra. There we go. That was a bullish engulfing last week. Again, the entry would have been above the high, which occurred already, and gunning up to $10. See if we can get up there. As well as this level, 1070, 1070. And which is interesting because if you look at several of them I showed you, the first week of the new year was the all-time highs. So this actually continued trending higher after the first week of the year. Really nice. That's good. And it only sold off late. Big difference than a lot of the other ones. Look, buyers are buying in this right now. Just to let you know, it's very active right now. Let's take it into the 15 minutes to see why it's very active. There you go, looking at the 15-minute candles. And take this for one more time to show you on the daily. So for the week, we're at an all-time high right now for the week. Put this back on 15 minutes. Yep. So it's running up since the first 15-minute candle open. It's running up. Yep. There you go. A lot of small orders right now I'm seeing. Okay. Go on to the next. Oscar, Zulu, Oscar, November. Not good. All-time low for the year. Failure. Not good. Golf, Lima, Bravo, Echo. No, it's struggling. Inside candle. Whiskey, India, Sierra Hotel. It's also struggling. Wow. Yeah, like penny stocks, not worth the investment. Nope. And Delta, Alpha. Nice recovery. Nice recovery. So massive till on the bottom. Many buyers stepped in there. Had a follow through, taking out that high and already going higher high. Yep. It's interesting too. Look at these trading ranges getting bigger and bigger and bigger. That's bullish. Yep. So versus these smaller trading ranges, we're not so bearish. And then you had this massive impulse move down and a reversal. That's looking good. Yep. Okay. We're in here. Those are some selections to consider doing, but the leadership, very few of them are doing outstanding, but we already know which ones are. I just showed you, and they're coming into earnings, some of them this next month.